What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. This is one of the most beautiful watch from I bought it from Seiko. This watch can go up to like 200 bucks. I pay like 170, around 170 bucks. Yeah, 170. I will be including the link. Sometimes this watch you can grab for as low as 150. So I'm wearing this watch for 1 year. I mean, personally, I like the band, the build quality a lot. I mean, it's a beautiful looking watch. It's like a simple style watch. I mean, it's like simple style, minimum looking, minimalistic, how to say, like simplistic looking watch. As you can see, I mean, look at the beauty of this watch. Look at the beauty of this watch. This watch is like super sexy, to be honest with you. I mean, I really like the band. The band is really very high quality. I mean, I'm using this watch. I think I bought this watch in 2015. Yeah, 2015. Oh, my mistake. I'm using this watch for 3 years. Yeah, I bought this watch before going to South Korea. I mean, this watch is like beautiful. I mean, this watch I wear every day. I mean, maybe when I go to like mosque, church, when I was studying in university, I wear every day to my university. This is an amazing looking watch. Can I recommend? Definitely yes. Still I can't see any scratch on the display. This is a must buy. It was me, Jimmy. Make sure subscribe and buy. Check out the links in the description box below. Bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي